Have you ever wondered how the world you know today might change under the relentless influence of climate change? How might your daily life be affected? What recent events illuminate the reality we're facing? Let's delve into the pressing issue of our time. In the world of energy, experts are sounding the alarm, warning that the U.S. electric grid is not adequately prepared to withstand the impacts of climate change. This could lead to potential power outages in the coming months and years. The current approach, relying on historical weather data, leaves the grid vulnerable to extreme weather events. The North American Electric Reliability Corporation has voiced concerns about the risk of blackouts in Texas and other regions. Drought and the retirement of coal power plants further exacerbate the supply and demand issues. However, some communities are taking matters into their own hands. Bronzeville in Chicago, for example, is taking proactive measures to create microgrids for energy independence in case of grid failures. But the need for a more resilient power grid remains to prevent energy crises from turning into public health and food crises. In the face of water scarcity, exacerbated by climate change, innovative solutions are emerging. Startups are developing solar still technology to provide fresh water in coastal communities. These floating devices use sunlight to distill seawater without creating brine, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional desalination plants. While challenges such as efficiency and scalability remain, researchers are working to optimize these systems to increase freshwater production and address the global need for clean water. As public concern about the environment reaches a two-decade high, experts are offering solutions to address the climate crisis. They emphasize the need for diverse climate leadership, recycling electric vehicle batteries to meet demand for critical materials, addressing climate displacement, and ensuring equitable implementation of the Inflation Reduction Act. The call for urgent action to mitigate the impacts of climate change and transition to a sustainable future has never been louder. In conclusion, the impacts of climate change are already being felt across various sectors. From the vulnerability of the electric grid to water scarcity, these issues underscore the urgency of addressing climate change. Innovative solutions are emerging, but the need for action remains critical. After all, the future of our planet depends on it. As we navigate the challenges and opportunities of this era, let us remember that every step we take today will shape the world of tomorrow.